Have you ever looked at your plate, thinking you're eating all the right things, fruit, veggies, lean proteins, and still find yourself feeling sluggish, bloated, or even frustrated with your progress? Here's the truth. Sometimes the diet you think is doing you good might actually be doing more harm than good. Shocking, right? Today, we're uncovering the sneaky signs your diet could be working against you, and how you can make simple tweaks to feel better, look better, and start seeing the results you want. 1. You always hungry or craving junk. Let's start with the big one: hunger and cravings. If you're constantly feeling hungry or battling sugar cravings, that's a red flag. Your body is telling you that it's not getting what it needs. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with holes. It doesn't matter how much food you eat, you still feel empty. This often happens when a diet is too restrictive or doesn't contain enough of the nutrients your body needs. If you're cutting out entire food groups like carbs or fats or not getting enough protein, you might find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks more often. When you eat a balanced diet with enough protein, healthy fats, and fiber, you'll feel fuller for longer. But if you're not eating enough of these nutrients, your body will send signals to your brain that it is time for more food, often leading to cravings for sugary, processed, or junk foods. 2. You feeling more tired than usual. This one is huge: feeling tired or drained despite getting plenty of sleep. You might be eating what you think is a healthy diet, but if you're constantly exhausted, your body is likely running low on essential fuel. If you've dramatically cut back on carbs or calories, your energy levels will take a hit. Carbs are your body's primary source of energy, and when you cut them out, your body starts relying on other sources like protein or fats for fuel. While that can work in the short term, it can cause fatigue over time. Think of your body like a car. It needs fuel to run efficiently. When you remove the proper fuel source, carbs, it becomes harder for your body to run at its best, leaving you feeling sluggish. If you're feeling tired after a workout, or your energy levels are just lower than usual, it's a sign your diet might not be fueling you properly. 3. Your skin is breaking out or dull looking. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, your skin can also tell you a lot about what's going on inside your body. If you've been following a diet that's lacking in key nutrients like healthy fats, vitamins, or minerals, your skin could be showing signs of distress. Healthy fats, like omega-3 south, help your skin retain moisture and stay plump, while vitamins A, C, and E help promote cell turnover and reduce inflammation. If your diet is too low in healthy fats, or you're consuming too much processed food and sugar, it can trigger inflammation, leading to acne, breakouts, or dull-looking skin. Think of your skin as a garden. It needs nutrients to thrive. If it's not getting what it needs, it'll start showing signs of neglect. So, if your skin is breaking out, looking dry, or just not as vibrant as you'd like, your diet could be playing a role. 4. Your digestion is off. Digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or feeling gassy after meals could be signs that your diet is not sitting well with your body. Imagine your digestive system as a highway. The more smooth and regular the traffic, your digestion, the better it works. But if you're eating too many processed foods, lacking fiber, or consuming too much dairy or gluten, without realizing it's affecting you, your digestive system can get clogged up or irritated, leading to discomfort. Fiber is one of the key nutrients for good digestion. If you're not eating enough fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, your digestive system might struggle to function properly. Fiber helps move things along and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. If you're feeling bloated, constipated, or gassy all the time, it's a sign that your diet might be missing some key ingredients for digestive health. 5. You're not seeing the results you expected. So, you've been sticking to a new diet, maybe even cutting back on calories, eliminating carbs, or doing all the right things. But if the results aren't showing up, it could be a sign that your approach isn't sustainable. You might be losing weight initially, but if you're not feeling great, seeing changes in your skin, energy, or even your mood, then it's time to reassess. The truth is, restrictive diets or extreme calorie cutting may lead to short-term weight loss, but they can also cause your metabolism to slow down. Your body can go into starvation mode, making it harder to lose weight over time. If you're following a diet that's causing you more stress, fatigue, or frustration, It's time to reconsider and focus on long-term, balanced nutrition that gives your body the fuel it needs to thrive. 6. You constantly stressed or moody. Mood swings or heightened stress could also be a sign your diet is throwing your body off balance. A lack of essential nutrients, like healthy fats or certain vitamins, can affect the production of hormones that regulate mood and stress levels. When you're on a restrictive diet, especially one low in fat, you might experience mood swings, irritability, or anxiety. Just like your body needs balanced nutrition for energy, it also needs it for mental health. Your brain needs healthy fats, B vitamins, and a variety of micronutrients to function optimally. If you're cutting those out or not getting enough of them, your mood might take a dive. So, if you're feeling more stressed, anxious, or emotional than usual, it might be time to check whether your diet is lacking key nutrients for mental wellness. 7. You're not getting enough sleep. Struggling to get enough rest? If you're tossing and turning at night, your diet might be the culprit. Eating too few carbs or not consuming enough healthy fats can disrupt your body's production of serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Plus, eating too late or consuming caffeine throughout the day can interfere with your sleep cycle. Getting good sleep is essential for recovery, energy, and overall health. If your diet is preventing you from getting the rest you need, your body won't be able to repair itself properly, and you may end up feeling more tired throughout the day. A balanced diet that supports your body's natural rhythms can help improve sleep quality and help you wake up feeling refreshed. So, if you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be time to reassess your diet. A healthy diet isn't just about cutting out foods or following the latest trend. It's about finding balance and nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Instead of focusing on restriction, aim for a diet that includes a variety of whole foods, healthy fats, protein, fiber, and plenty of water. Your body will thank you, and you'll start feeling better, looking better, and seeing the results you've been working toward. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments what's the biggest change you've made to your diet recently. How did it affect you? Let's support each other on this health journey.